Hello everyone, I'm deeply honored to present our work on promoting, preserving and supporting on the cultural heritage of Southern Thailand through traditional local dessert prepared for the Sardin Festival. This project is entitled The Taste of Southern Desserts, Sardin Culture Towards the Wisdom of a Sufficiency Economy. This activity is a great source of pride for all of us at Tepidia Panama School. Is located in Tepa District, Songkhla Province, Southern Thailand too. We work together to preserve and support on the cultural heritage of traditional dessert making for the Southern Sea Festival of Songkhla Province. The first person am Mrs. Chutima Tawisunasa, Director of Tepidia Panama School. Now, please allow the teacher to introduce herself.
My name is Miss Acharanya. I teach social study at the grade 11 at Tepiya Panama School. I work assigned by the school director to work with local instructor to support all the cultural heritage of traditional dishes making for the Southern Sea Festival of Songkhla Province under the activity. The taste of Southern desserts Southern Sea Festival towards the wisdom of sufficiency economy as part of the social study, religions and culture course.
Hello everyone, I'm Natawadi Nwansi. I'm in the grade 11/2 at Tepitia Panama School. Through this project, I have learned that the Sardin Festival is an important cultural heritage. It helps to make merit and dedicate offering to our deceased ancestor. Food and traditional dessert about this such as khao tom bai kapo, khanom jia hu, khanom la, and khanom jun are prepared as symbolic offerings into the spirits of our deceased ancestor. Moreover, represent gratitude, filial piety, express love, respect, and remembrance with their deceased ancestor. We show that by making merit and dedicating food, dessert, and offering to religious ceremony held at the temple. The Sardin festival includes two important ceremonial days. The first day is called Wan Rap Tayai. The final day is called Wan Song Tayai. This tradition is also commonly known as Ching Play Day.
Okay, what is grade? Hello, I'm Jirapan Tedjam. I'm in the grade 11/1 student at Tepriya Panuma School. Grade is referred to spirits of deceased etc. Indicates that it was causing harm to one's own parents or benefactor during their lifetime. May become a braid after death. A braid is believed to have a tall, thin body, dark skin, and a mouth as small as the eye of a needle.
Hello, my name is Indrapat Pomi. I'm in grade 11/2 at Tepiya Panuma School. How to dedicating merit. First, we go to the temple to conduct test by monks, known as the Mangsakundito, offered to the monk called Mrap.
Hello, I'm Rusani Kongsem. I'm in a grade 11/1 at Pitaya Panuma School. These are examples of the flow traditional dessert. I take you to see the real process of the flow traditional desserts. ขนมลา hour in subject ยายจวบ and look it ขนมเจาะหูขนมจู้จุน the in subject อีดยายออง and ข้าวต้มใบกระเพาะ hour in subject director and teacher ชรา
Let's begin with Kanomla and the belief associated with it. It represents encouraging offers at merit to deceased ancestor or breed. While the reason Kanomla has such distinct like light is because it can be poured through the small opening of a breast's mouth.
For this, we are Khanum Jahu and Khanum Jun. Their belief is that Khanum Jahu it is an offering of treasure, jewelry, rings, money, and clothes of deceased etc. Belief of Khanum Jun is that it represents effort of descendants to send food to their deceased etc. for consumption in the afterlife.
And the last dessert of Sardin Festival is Khao Tom Bekapa, is the represent to prepare the food for deceased ancestor.
We can see that the ingredients used are simple, economical, not extravagant, environmentally friendly, and made from local materials. This helps preserve and pass on our cultural heritage, which is a living culture that still exists until today.
Modern dessert of Southern Sea Festival, students again knowledge while develop the moral awareness and live happily with others.
We have learned about cultural heritage, the Sardin Festival forever.
Most importantly, we have expanded this into extra income by packaging our food dessert together. A souvenir gift set from Songkhla Province, Southern Thailand. Khanom Jia Hu,
ขนมลา
ขนมจู้จุน and ข้าวต้มใบกระเพาะ
Thank you for watching the video.
Bye bye